Welcome everyone to another startup and automobile documentation. What we have here is a 2003 Subaru Baja. This Baja is painted in the two-tone Baja yellow and silver stone metallic exterior paint scheme. It does have frameless windows, storage on the front door panels, and you do have power windows, locks, and mirrors. It has a medium gray interior with leather-appointed seats. The driver's seat is partially powered with a power seat base and a manual seat back along with manual lumbar support, while the front passenger seat is fully manual. Now that we're behind the wheel, let's go ahead and start the engine. When it came out in 2003, the Baja was pretty much unlike anything else out on the road. It's hard to really put in its own category. It is what most consider to be the spiritual successor to the Subaru Brat. The Baja was based upon the second generation of the Outback with an extended length and, most notably, a truck bed. It is a four-door vehicle with a set of back seats, making it a crew cab ute of sorts if you want to call it that. The Baja sported a rugged appearance and included standard all-wheel drive. It also has features like a mid-gate pass-through from the bed to the passenger compartment branded as switchback to allow room for longer items, and an available bed extender. The Baja was produced in total for just one generation, spanning from model years 2003 through 2006. While it never sold as well as Subaru hoped, the Baja I'd consider super cool and a modern classic. The Baja did get a few changes here and there, most notably the introduction of an available turbocharged engine for 2004. But as for the 2003 model year, the Baja came in two trims, which were the more basic Sport trim introduced later in the year, and the more well-equipped unnamed trim level the model launched with, as shown here. The sole engine for 03 was a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter Boxer 4 with 165 horsepower. You also had the choice between a 5-speed manual transmission or this example's 4-speed automatic. All Bajas had all-wheel drive as standard. In the instrument cluster, we have 4 analog gauges: your tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, and temperature gauge. This button you can toggle between your trip computers. It has a 4-spoke design leather-wrapped steering wheel, two-tone, perforations on the side. As for controls, it does house your cruise control stock. The steering wheel is tilt-only. Storage for the driver, your fog lamp switch, your cruise control master switch is right here, and you can also toggle your cargo lamps. Climate vent for the driver. On this side is your exterior lighting stock, while on this side is your wiper stock. Going down the center of the interior, you have your central climate vents, hazard light switch, your single zone manual climate controls, you have your temperature, fan speed, different zones, rear defrost, recirculation, AC. Right here is your whole radio head unit. It is AM, FM with a CD player. Couple storage areas, storage and a power outlet, storage ahead of the shifter. Coin holders, 2 cup holders. The parking brake is hand operated. And you have the center console with some storage. The glove box is lockable. Vanity mirrors and lights for both sun visors. Grab handles at all 4 corners. Manually dimming rear view. And on the overhead console, you have your reading lamps and your power sunroof controls. But now we'll roll down the driver's window and have a look at the engine bay. The driver's window is automatic down. The Baja rides on 16-inch 5-spoke alloy rims. The 03 Baja is powered by the EJ251 2.5-liter naturally aspirated flat-4 boxer engine. It has an aluminum block along with aluminum heads, single overhead camshafts, and 4 valves per cylinder. Horsepower is rated at 165 at 5,600 RPM, and torque is rated at 166 pound-feet at 4,000 RPM. This example is equipped with the available 4-speed automatic transmission with low gear selection, and power is sent to all 4 wheels via the standard full-time all-wheel drive system. Running on regular unleaded with a 16.9-gallon fuel tank, updated EPA estimates are 18 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway. It has a McPherson strut front suspension and a multi-link rear suspension. Stopping the Baja are 4-wheel disc brakes with ventilated front rotors. When properly equipped, it can tow up to 2,400 pounds. Does have roof racks. You can fold down the seat backs, and this has like a little mid gate. You can access the bed, have a pass through this. Both front seats have storage nets on the backs, coat hooks, and rear passengers do get 2 cup holders right here, along with a storage compartment. And space back here, I'm about 6'1". Driver's seat, position where I'd have it if I was driving. Legroom and footroom are just okay, and headroom, my head is just about to hit the roof. I could definitely ride back here, but it's not the most spacious thing ever. But it's also not the most cramped thing ever, by any means. But even if it's not the most spacious thing, I can look past that just because of how cool these things are. For one thing, I don't see too many of them. I remember thinking these are pretty interesting growing up as a kid in the 2000s. And this is actually my first time ever checking one out up close. And this is one of those 2000s cars where it was just cool. It stood out. It wasn't boring. You got this, like a car with a truck bed, so basically it's a ute. It's in this bright yellow color with the two-tone. It just looks cool. This is not like, most cars where it's just traffic, You see one of these and it can catch your eye, especially one of these that's in such good a shape as this with only 50,000 miles. Really pops in this yellow color too. Single exhaust. The bed of the Baja provides 17.7 cubic feet of cargo space, which can be expanded into the passenger area with the aforementioned switchback midgate. Anyhow, thanks for checking out this tour of this 2003 Subaru Baja. And as always, stay on the lookout for future tours.